Hello my dear art fellows! Today we're gonna paint cute picture book illustration for kids and that will be funny. This is the second part of our topic and today we will do that in pastel style. I prepared for you new brushes for doing that, so I hope you are ready. So our today's topic is picture book illustration for kids. During my classes I constantly share some tips and tricks how to use Procreate. So speaking about our today's lesson, during our class, I'm gonna take you through the whole journey, my whole creative process. We will start from exporting all freebies into the Procreate, then I'll show you how to use my new brush set, and after that we will move to painting process and we're gonna explore the new style. I hope you're ready for doing that. I will show you the way how to use colors in the most efficient and beautiful way, and how to make our objects less flat. I'm gonna focus on painting lovely surroundings with the cute character in the center as a final project. And your project will be same, to create the illustration with lovely elements, character, background elements, or whatever you like, and what will cause warm emotions. And as a bonus, I will share with you my textured paper, new custom brush set, color palette that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art projects. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you watched my previous classes. And experienced artists, probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create lovely picture book art. I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn how to paint in Procreate on iPad and also to get general knowledge about composition, how to wisely use space and how to choose colors properly and how to create lovely picture book art. I can't wait to start this class and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to your project section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy painting process together.